The two boxers fought each other in the ring. The soldiers fought each other on the battlefield. The two brothers fought each other on the couch. The two sisters fought each other and tried to pull each other's hair out. The gladiators fought each other in the colosseum. The knight fought the evil dragon. The two parents got into a fight while their child closed his ears. The warriors fought the giant monster. The group of teenagers got into a fight and fought each other. The couple fought each other with their pillows. They had a pillow fight. The two children fought each other over the remote control for the television. The parents fought each other over custody of their child. The fireman fought the fire. The couple fought each other with swords. The aikido fighters fought each other in the dojo. The dogs fought each other in the park. The dinosaurs fought each other in the forest. The four friends got into a fight about politics. The two male colleagues got into a fight at work. The woman fought her battle with cancer and won. The obese woman fought her addiction to junk food. The chef fought the chicken. It didn't want to be cooked. The world fought the virus with a united front. The dark side fought against the light. The two women fought over the black jacket in the shops. The boy fought the dragon with a rolling pin. The couple fought to save their marriage by going to a marriage councilor. The children fought each other in the school playground. The two teenage boys fought each other over who gets to go out with the girl. The woman fought with her mugger. She didn't want to give him her handbag. The two men fought each other over the piece of cake with their knives. The pilot fought the enemy from the skies. The firefighter fought the fire raging in the forest. The two women fought for the man. The superhero fought against the darkness. The two pirates fought against tooth decay. The two hands fought over money.